Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
Definition and functions of management. Management is the process of coordinating and overseeing the work performance of individuals working together in organizations so that they could efficiently accomplish their chosen aims or goals. It is also defined as the process of designing and maintaining an environment for efficiently accomplishing selected aims. Management analysis is done by breaking it down into 5 major managerial duties, thus making managerial knowledge more understandable. Management functions include the following. Planning involves determining the organization's goals or performance objectives, defining strategic actions that must be done to accomplish them, and developing coordination and integration activities. Organizing demands assigning tasks, setting aside funds, and bringing harmonious relations among the individuals and work groups or teams in the organization. Staffing indicates filling in the different job positions in the organization's structure. The factors that influence this function include size of the organization, types of jobs, number of individuals to be recruited, and some internal or external pressures. Leading entails influencing or motivating subordinates to do their best so that they would be able to help the organization's endeavor to attain their set goals. Controlling involves evaluating and, if necessary, correcting the performance of the individuals or work groups or teams to ensure that they are all working toward the previously set goals and plans of the organization. Definition of terms. Management functions. Functions needed in order to accomplish the management process of coordinating and overseeing the work performance of individuals working together in organizations. Coordination. Harmonious integrated action of the various parts and processes of an organization. Efficiency. The character of being able to yield the maximum output from a minimum amount of input. Effectiveness. Being adapted to produce an effect that will help the organization attain its aims. Coordination, efficiency, and effectiveness, intrinsic to the nature of management functions, planning, organizing, staffing, leading, and controlling, will all go to waste if coordination, efficiency, and effectiveness are not practiced by an organization's appointed managers. In other words, top-level managers, middle-level managers, and team leaders or supervisors must all be conscious of the said practices of successful organizations as they perform their management functions. Webster's dictionary defines coordination as the harmonious, integrated action of the various parts and processes of an organization. Efficiency is being able to yield the maximum output from a minimum amount of input, and effectiveness is being adopted to produce an effect, or being able to do things correctly. When applied to management functions, coordination ensures that all individuals, groups, or teams are harmoniously working together and moving toward the accomplishment of the organization's vision, mission, goals, and objectives. Efficiency, meanwhile, refers to the optimal use of scarce resources, human, financial, physical, and mechanical, in order to bring maximum productivity. And effectiveness means doing things correctly when engaged in activities that will help the organization attain its aims.
Welcome to our lesson on organization and management. In this video, we'll explore what management truly means, its nature, functions, and different types. Before we start, let's take a moment to pause and pray for guidance, wisdom, and understanding. Let's check attendance. If you missed a performance task or test, make sure to schedule your makeup activity on the listed days. Before we begin, let's remember our class rules. Respect one another, participate actively, and always submit tasks on time. Let's review. Have you ever organized a class event or group project? What did you do to ensure everything went smoothly? Management means working with and through people, planning, organizing, staffing, leading, and controlling to achieve a common goal. The nature of management can be described as process-oriented, people-centered, goal-oriented, and universal. Management happens everywhere, at school, at home, and in business. There are 5 key functions of management. Planning, deciding what to do and how to do it. Organizing, arranging people and resources. Staffing, selecting and training the right people. Directing, guiding and motivating them. Controlling, checking progress and correcting errors. Now, think about this. Which management function comes first? What would happen if one were missing? All 5 functions must work together for success. Management can be classified by level, function, or nature, from top management like CEOs to middle and lower levels, and even informal management among classmates. Let's test your understanding. What is management? Which function ensures the plan is followed? And who belongs to top-level management? Remember, management isn't just about being a boss. It's about planning, organizing, staffing, leading, and controlling people and resources efficiently and effectively. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Teacher Lumaban for more lessons on entrepreneurship, business, and management. See you in the next video.
Directions: read each item carefully. Select the letter of the best answer from the choices given. What is management? A. The process of working alone. B. The process of planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. C. Doing tasks without a plan. D. Giving orders only. Which of the following best describes management in simple words? A. Working without help. B. Getting things done with and through people. C. Doing everything by yourself. D. Managing only money. Which of the following is not a function of management? A. Planning. B. Organizing. C. Sleeping. D. Controlling. What does planning mean in management? A. Thinking ahead and deciding what to do. B. Watching others work. C. Correcting mistakes. D. Buying materials. When a manager arranges people and materials to do a task, what function is being used? A. Staffing. B. Organizing. C. Controlling. D. Directing. Choosing and training the right people is part of which management function? A. Staffing. B. Directing. C. Planning. D. Controlling. Which of the following best shows directing? A. Checking who finished the work. B. Telling and motivating people to do their tasks. C. Planning what to do. D. Arranging materials. Which function checks if the plan is followed and corrects mistakes? A. Planning. B. Directing. C. Organizing. D. Controlling. Who belongs to the top level of management? A. Team leader. B. Principal or CEO. C. Department head. D. Supervisor. What kind of management happens when classmates help each other in a friendly way? A. Formal. B. Informal. C. Top level. D. Middle level. Thank you for completing the examination. Kindly pass your paper to the front. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.